5 side hustles that you can start with just your phone. You can just start with your phone from anywhere in the world, most especially if you're in Nigeria. What if I tell you that the phone you are holding right now can become one of your biggest income generating tools? Sounds crazy, right? Let's dive into it. Most people use their phones to scroll through social media for the whole day, for hours, without using their phone to make any extra income. But I will tell you this, that there are some few people who uses their phone to make extra income, and some have even built a permanent business and a full-time business using just their phones. And that is why I am here today to share with you 5 side hustles that you can start with just your phone. And you don't even need extra gadgets, you don't even need the cameras, you don't even need laptops to use them. You just need your phone and a full internet connection and nothing much. This part, you don't need an expensive laptop or gadget to start this business. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that you can start with just your phone. Even if you're a complete beginner, just stay until the end, because the last one is the one most people don't talk about it, and it also has the potential to grow into a lifetime business. Let's get started. Number 5, become a YouTube content creator. You don't need fancy cameras to start a YouTube channel anymore. Many successful creators that you see today on YouTube start with just using their smartphone to record videos, and not the expensive camera that you see today. If you have a knowledge about AI tools, about football, about gaming, about anything, or even your experience in life, in your daily experience, you can be able to build a community around these things on YouTube that you're going to grow more faster. Business, cooking, fashion, and all of these things, there are people who love it, and you can be able to build a community around this. Once your channel grows, you can start earning money from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship. You can be able to sell your own products or services. And the best part is, you don't need equipment, you don't need expensive gadgets to make this video, but you need to upload consistently so that you're going to help people or entertain them through your videos. Number 4, freelancing. If you can write, you can edit videos, you can design graphics, manage social media accounts, or even do some simple small tasks. You can offer your skills to clients online and get paid for it, for your service that you're going to render. Many freelancers today that you see today started with just their phones to do business, to complete tasks for clients and deliver their projects, deliver works and manage projects for clients. As you keep on your freelancing job, as you keep it up as a side hustle, the more you grow, the more your income continues to grow. So you need to keep it on. You need to be consistent on being a freelancer for you to grow faster and for you to get more income, to earn extra money for yourself. And the key is this: you need to get one single skill that you are going to capitalize on and also improve on every time. Over time, you need to improve on this very skill that you're going to get more customers, that you're going to patronize you, that you're going to get clients that will be able to come to your business through this your single skill, and you're going to keep on improving on the skill time and time. Quick question: if somebody give you 500,000 today to start an online business, what business would you start online today? Let me know in the comment section. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending products and services to people, and once they make a purchase through your link, you're going to earn a commission by using your link to make that purchase. And the best part of it is that you don't even need to own the product to yourself. You don't need to own that service, but you using your own referral link to share to people, to make sure people buy through your link, is what we call the affiliate market. The major deal is that you need to simply create a helpful or entertaining content on Facebook or YouTube or TikTok or even Instagram, and then you make sure you add your referral links to those your content where people can be able to buy through those links. And the thing is this: the more value you create, the more people become so reliable on you, on the products you manage, the products you tend to show them, or the products you want to sell to them. The more value you create, the more people tend to trust your recommendation. And in this video, you can find out that I have, in this video, you can check the description of this video to see my own referrals, and you check the description of this video, you find the link to buy a complete beginner's guide on dropshipping and how to make cartoon or animation videos. The link is in this description. You can also buy through my own referral link. Number 2, sell digital products. And these digital products are items that you create them by yourself, and then you sell them once, and you keep selling them over time. You keep it repeatedly and earn extra income every time you make a sale of those products. Things like ebook, templates, study notes, printable planners, phone wallpaper, online guides. Once your product is ready, you can keep selling it over and over and over again without needing to stock the inventory. And the truth is this, your phone is capable of creating all of these products. At number 1, content creation. This is just my favorite because it opens doors to more income streams. Instead of always posting for fun, you can start creating videos that will help people solve problems or can be able to entertain them. These are videos that people keep watching and they keep on coming back to your content to make sure that they get entertained or they find a solution to 1 or 2 of their problems by watching your content. Choose a niche that you're interested in and continuously and consistently keep on creating videos, more valuable videos that you'll be uploading on your channel, and make sure you keep that your niche make sure it's a niche that you have ideas on. Make sure it's a niche that you can be able to create videos on. Make sure in that niche you can be able to be consistent on uploading videos on. I've talked about how to get niche. I've talked about how you're going to pick the niche that you like and you can be able to keep on. The video is in my channel. You can watch the video and get to understand about this niche that I just talked about. And as your channel grows, your audience also grows, and you can start earning money by brand sponsorship, ad revenue, that's the YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and digital products that I just talked about, and also selling of products, online courses, consultancy, and coaching. And the truth is, most of these successful creators that you see today, they started with nothing more than just their fun and consistency. If they were not consistent enough, they would have dropped out of this business of content creation. But because they were consistent and they keep it up, they keep improving, and today they are successful. Today people read about their stories. Today people keep on watching them. But listen to me, and most people quit too early because they expect instant result, and because they could not get that result, they tend to quit from the niche, from the top, the desire to quit. But most people who succeed are the ones who keep up, who keep showing up for what they are doing, and they remain consistent on it. But listen to me, here is something I want you to remember. Don't try all of these 5 at the same time. Don't try all of them at the same time. Listen, I know why I'm saying this, because most people will say, okay, let me try this one first and see if it does not work, and then you choose and then go back to another one and try again. You keep on trying and then you find out that the person keeps on failing. But listen, just choose one and go with it. Improve on it, learn over it, and also keep on practicing. As you keep on practicing, so also you keep on improving on your consistency, and then you make sure you remain consistent on that one that you specifically choose to work with. Your phone is already powerful enough. What matters most is how you use it. If you find this video valuable, please consider to like this video and also subscribe to Titus Digital, and don't forget to turn on your notifications icon, your bell notifications, so that you will be among the first people to be notified once I upload any video about AI tools, how to earn an extra income, and how to grow on YouTube. And now I want to hear from you. Which one of these 5 side hustles I just shared will you start first? let me hear in the comment section. Drop your answers in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Peace.